intro. Oh, fuck. Shit, bitch. Yeah, Shaq West said I'm getting really rich. See how I got it, cause I'm really with the shit. See me in the streets and I be really with a bad bitch. Niggas straight rockin'. Niggas straight see me when they see me, they be coppin'. I'm the best drug dealer, nigga, come and cop it. Young Shaq West, I'm like the fucking Green Goblin. With my bro, bitch, shit, I fucked your hoe, shit, and she ain't even let you know. Shit fucked up. This nigga nice, fuck is you talking about? Cause bitch, and my nigga 1-6, my nigga, I lead a day trip, nigga. Fuck is niggas talking about?